Guys, what's going on? I'm so frustrated with this stuff. It's not even funny anymore. I mean, my next video is probably going to be the cancellation video. I'm going to walk you guys through it because we've got to stop this. We've all got to cancel these crappy programs. I mean, Moviepass is just, I thought maybe after a couple weeks, they kind of go through spurts where they come around and then they offer some good stuff. Look at this. It's Friday, November 1st. I thought, you know what? We'll go out see a movie. We're bored. Well, it's 6:30 on a Friday. Nothing. Oh, hey, let's go see that. No. Boring. Nothing. I've got 4 movie theaters here. 4 that are on Movie Pass's list, and I've literally got no screenings. Are you kidding me? This is ridiculous. Look at my history. I went ahead and pulled this up. Saw some decent movies. Like, nothing to write home about, but look at them. September 14th was the last time I've been able to go to a movie. August 29th. I went to that July 21st. And in July 14th. You could see I was doing it every couple weeks. And I've only done it 4 times. And this was July. We probably started this early July, late June. And we've been a member of Moviepass. I've gone to see 4 movies. Like, it was fantastic. It really was. Look at all these. They like to see here and say, oh, hey. They're just doing some nice advertising for the box office. That right? Look at this. Oh, hey, look at all these movies you can't go see. By the way, here's some that are coming up to, oh, hey, you're not going to be able to see those either. Like, come on, guys. Get with it. I mean, you guys were bleeding millions each quarter because you couldn't keep up with this. And you're literally ruining the base that keeps you guys around. Like, I know some of you guys are out there using Cinema, whatever it's called. I've been trying to do a little research on it. The whole point of this was not so that I could get steals on movie tickets. You can see the 4 movie. I'm probably already losing money. It was so that I could randomly go to a movie during the week. Or when I'm bored, I'll go to see a movie I didn't really care to go see. But yeah, good enough to go see in the movie theater. I don't know if you guys are like me, but, maybe I would have gone to see one of these. But, hell, I can't even do that. I mean, Venom's been out forever. I'm not a big, huge Marvel person. I'll go see him, though. Constantly, there's premium screenings not even offered. And all this. Just absolutely ridiculous. I'm tired of it. My next video is probably me canceling and showing you guys so that you all and we all can go through this, do it together, and be done with it. I'm so sick of Movie Pass. Move on. Let's all cancel it. I'm done. See you guys.